Hello children, this is Saubhagya Mohanty. Today I am going to teach you Standard 4 Mathematics Lesson 1, that is Numeration. We have already studied in previous class up to 5 digit number. So today I will discuss 6 digit number, then place value, comparing the numbers, ascending order, descending order, successor and predecessor. Let us start. All of you know what is smallest 5 digit number? Smallest 5 digit number is 1 and 4 zeros, that is read as 10,000. Then greatest 5 digit number. Greatest 5 digit number is 99,999. Smallest 6 digit number. Smallest 6 digit number is just next the greatest 5 digit number, or you can say a successor of greatest 5 digit number, that is 99,999 plus 1 is 1 lakh. This is smallest 6 digit number, that is 1 and 50, that is read as 1 lakh. Greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. Next is, I have taken 4 examples. This one is 6,172, 5,691, 3,167 and 1,256. In these 4 numbers, 6 is here 6 is in ones place, here 6 is in 10th place, here 6 is in 100 place, here 6 is in 1000 place. So place value of this 6 is 6 because 6 is in ones place. Place value of this 6 is 60. 6 into 10, 60. Place value of this 6 is 600 because 6 is in 100 place. Place value of this 6 is 6,000 because 6 is in 1000 place. Here when we move from right to left, all the place value increase 10 times. See, this is 6, 60, 600, 6,000. Everywhere when we move from right to left, place value increase 10 times. So if the digit is same but the place is different, then its value change. Next come to Indian place value chart. In Indian place value chart, that is divided into 4 period, ones period, thousand period, lakh period, then crore period. But in your syllabus that is given up to lakh, that's why I have written up to lakh. Now ones period has 3 places, ones place, tens place, 100 place. Thousand period has 2 places, 1000, 10,000. Lakh period has 2 places, lakh and 10 lakh. Now 1 lakh is also called as 100,000. This is 1000, this is 10,000, this is 100,000. So sometimes lakh also called 100,000. Now come to exercise 1.1. See in your book, first question it is given, name the place value of 3 in the following numerals. 4 questions are given. I have done one question for you. Question number 1. The number is 3,116. 3,216. So what is the place value of here? 3 here. 3 is in 1000 place. So place value of 3 is 3000. Then question number 2 is, write the following numbers in expanded form. I have taken question number 2D. The number is 9,437. Here the place value of 9 is 9,000 plus place value of 4 is 400, place value of 3 is 30, place value of 7 is 7. So this is the expanded form, 9,000 plus 400 plus 30 plus 7. The next Then question number 3. In this question it is given write the following numbers in compact form. Here 1000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 4. So how to write this number? 1 in 1000 place, 2 in 100 place, 6, 4. So 1264. Then question number 4 is write the numerals for the following number name. Here the number is 6076. 6 is in 1000 place, so I have written 6 here. Then 76. 76 is 2-digit number, that is written in 10th place and unit place. But the 100 place there is no digit. You have to fill this digit because one's period must have 3-digit number. 100, 10 and 1. Here 2 digits are given. So you fill the 100 place by 0. The number is 6076. 6076. Then question number 5. Write the number name of the following numerals. Here 7000. 7 is in 1000 place. So 7108. 1 is in 100 place. Then 8. 7108. Then question number 6. Write the greatest number of 5 digits. That is already we have discussed here. Next is write the smallest number of 4 digit. That all of you know. Smallest 4-digit number is 1000. Then question number 8. Here 4 digits are given. 3, 2, 1, 6. Using these 4 digits you have to write greatest number and smallest number. How to write greatest number? Greatest number you write all the digits in decreasing order. So out of these 4 digits, 6 is the greatest digit. First you write 6, then 3, then 2, then 1. So the greatest number is 6321. And the smallest number you have to write all the digits in increasing order. First the smallest digit is 1. Out of these 4, first smallest digit is 1. Then smallest digit is 2. Then smallest digit is 3. Then 6. The smallest number is 1236. One more question I have done. Question number 8b. Here also 5 digits are given. 5874. So greatest number is 8754. The smallest number is 4578. These digits you have to write in decreasing order for greatest number. For smallest number you have to write all the digits in increasing order. Then question number 9. Write the following numbers in ascending order. Here the question is 4 numbers are given. This number is 4-digit number. This is also 4-digit number. 4-digit number. This is 3-digit number. Increasing order means you have to write all the digits from smallest to largest. So smallest number is 3-digit number. First you write on 532. The next one is these 3 numbers are 4-digit number. So first you compare all the 1000 place. Here in 1000 place 1 is there. Here is 3. Here is 2. So the next number is 1619. Then 2018. Then 3216. Then question number 10. Write the following numbers in decreasing order. So in case of descending or decreasing order, you have to write first largest, then largest to smallest. The question number 10 you can do yourself. Largest to smallest you have to arrange. Then question number 11 you have to compare the numbers. Here 3931 one number, another number is given 4682. These two numbers are 4-digit number. If the number of digits are same, then you compare the 1000 place. Here in 1000 place 3 is there, here is 4. So 4 is greater than 3. So this number is greater than this number. The next one is 1980 and here 700 given. Here in 1000 plus 1 is there, here is 0. So 1 is greater than 0. That's why this number is greater than this number. Then come to exercise 1.2. In exercise 1.2, the first question is write the numerals. So question number 1A, 9620. How to write? 9 is in 1000 place, 6 is in 100 place, and 20. This part already we have discussed here. So same. Question number 2, write in words. This one also we have discussed, but this is 5-digit number. In this 5-digit number, 35 is in 1000 place. So 35,292. Next one is question number 3. In question number 3, it is given one number. The number is 31,458. And the question is replace 3 and 5 by 0. So if we replace 3 and 5 by 0, what will be the number? 01408. So the number is 0 has no value because this is comes in left. So the number is 1408. The next question is which number is formed if 4 and 7 are interchanged? Here one number is given 45,792. Question is interchange 4 and 7. That means 4 comes to 7 place and 7 goes to 4 place. So the number is 75492. And how to read this number? This is 75,492. Then come to question number 5. Here also numbers are given. You have to write in words. This is 6-digit number. So 6 is in lakh place. How to read this number? This is 6,56,323. Then question number 6. This question, it is given in word. You have to write in numerals. 7,09,062. 7 is in lakh place. Then 9,000. You have to write 2-digit number in 1000 period. So you put 1 0. This is 09. Then 62. In ones period must be filled up by 3-digit. Here is 2-digit given. So you write 0 in 100 place. So the number is 709062. Then come to question number 7. In question number 7, it is given write in expanded form. This part also we have already discussed in previous exercise. Again, I have done one question for you. This is 83,107E. So what is the place value of 8 here? 80,000 plus place value of 3 is 3,000 plus 100. Here 10th place and unit place is 0. So 80,000 plus 3,000 plus 100. Then question number 8C. Here the number is given in expanded form. You have to write in compact form. 90,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. So how to write this number? 90001. Here 100 place, 10th place, 100 place and 1000 place are 0. So that's why here 3 zeros are written. Then come to the next exercise. Here comparing and ordering the numbers. When you compare two numbers, first you have to see the number of digit. The least number of digit is the smaller number. More number of digit is the greater number. Now here two numbers I have written. This number is formed by 6 digit. This number is formed by 5 digit. So 6-digit number is greater than 5-digit number. This is the smaller number. This is the larger number. This is first point. You have to count number of digit. Then in second point, if the digits are equal, If both the digits are equal, then you compare the digits from left to right. Here also I have taken one example. This is 7,59,687, and another number I have taken 7,59,678. In this case, both the numbers are formed by 6 digits. So here you first compare from left to right. First digit left place is 7, here left place is 7. Then in thousand place 59 is here also 59, same. Then in hundred place 6 is here also 6, both are same. Tenth place, here is 8, here is 7. So 8 is greater than 7, that's why this number is greater than this number. Then come to ascending order. In ascending order, you have to write smallest to greatest. Already we have discussed here ascending order, this one. Again I repeat this. I have taken one question from page number 14, 11A. One question is given 1,71,131, 1,06,131, 1,11,311, 1,11,100. So in these four numbers, all lakh place are same. Then you see the thousand place. Here is 71, here is 6, here is 11, here is 11. So first 6 is the smallest one. So this number you have to write first, 1,06,131. Then come to next number. Here these two numbers are 11,000. Then you come to 100 place. Compare the 100 place digit. Here is 3, here is 1. So this number is smaller than this number. You have to write this number in second place. This is 1,11,100. Then this number is right in third place, 1,11,311. Then the last one is 1,71,131. In this way, you have to write in ascending order, smallest to greatest. Then in descending order, just opposite of ascending order, that is greatest to smallest. Here also I have done one question from page number 15, question number 12A. One question is given 3,14,712, 3,41,172, 3,14,110, 3,14,616. Here also these four numbers lakh place are same, 333. Now you compare the thousand place. This is 14, 41, 14, 14. So 41 is the largest number. First you write 3,41,172. Then the second number, here thousand place are same, all are 41, 13. Then you check 100 place. Here is 7, here is 1, here is 6. So the next number is this one, 3,14,712. Then the third number, compare these two numbers. Here is 100 place is 1, 100 place is 6. Then the third number is this one, 3,14,616, and the fourth one is 3,14,110. In this way, you write the numbers in descending order. Next come to successor. What is successor? Successor means the next number or the one more than the given number. Here also I have taken one example. Page number 12, question number 4A. One question is given. Write the successor of 11,187. Successor means next number. So you add 1 with this number, 11,187 plus 1 is 11,188. 11,188 is successor of 11,187. Similarly, in case of predecessor, predecessor means the previous number or one less than the given number. Here also I have taken one question, question number 5A, page 12. Predecessor of 22,007. How to find predecessor? 22,007 minus 1 is 22,006. So 22,006 is the predecessor of 22,007. Now come to exercise 1.3. In this exercise, question number 1A, it is given, compare the numbers. Here is 1A 4,909, this one is 6,218. In 1000 place, here is 4, here is 6, so 6 is greater than 4. So this number 6,218 is greater than 4,909. Then 1C, here 91,101, 91,111. 1000 place is same, 91, 91. 100 place 1 and 1 are same. 10th place 0 is here, 1 is here. 1 is greater than 0. So this number 91,111 is greater than 91,101. So here you have to put the greater sign. Then question number 2A, here 4 numbers are given. The 4 numbers 6,103, 4,988, 7,012, 9,500. Out of these 4 numbers, you have to find out the least one. So here also you have to check the 1000 place. 1000 place is 6 here, 1000 place is 4 here, 1000 place is 7 here, 1000 place is 9 here. So 6, 4, 7, 9. You compare, least one is the 4. So this is the least number, 4,988. The next one is question number 3. Here you have to find out the greatest one. Out of these 4 numbers, first one is 72,803, then 24,200, 31,995, 49,856. Out of these 4 numbers, which one is the greatest? Here in 1000 plus 72 is given, here is 24 given, here is 31 given, here is 49 given. So 72 is the greatest number. Then question number 4, successor of 23,999. Already we have discussed successor means plus 1. So 23,999 plus 1 is 24,000. 24,000 is successor of 23,999. Similarly, in question number 5, the question is find the predecessor of 50,000. So you subtract, here also we have discussed about predecessor, subtract 1 from 50,000. So the number is 49,999. This number is the predecessor of 50,000. Thank you, children.